Good day, my name is Chamberlain and this is my assignment 1, Flappy Bird submission. In this assignment, the task given were to understand the code to randomize the spawning and to implement a pause function as well as player rewards. The idea for my randomization of the level was to create a variable which would edit the gap height between a random number between 85 and 90 pixels. My second randomization was in the interval of the spawning, which I used the math.random to randomize the spawning between 2 and 3 seconds. The idea for my pause function was to create a variable that would allow me to stop the scrolling of the game. To accomplish this, some changes needed to be made to the state machine. To toggle the scrolling, I used the function love.keyPressed and specified that if P or backspace was pressed, then the current state was equal to play, that it would stop scrolling. I needed a way to observe the states as they change and read the current state being played. To do this, I made a new function which takes the current state. Finally, in the draw function, once the variable scrolling was toggled off, it prints a game paused in the middle of the screen. The player rewards functions, I created 3 custom sprites, which are gold, silver, and bronze, and I used these functions displayed on screen to determine if the player was eligible to receive a coin. Anyway, it's game time. Here we have the 50 bird game play, and I implemented this is the boss function. As you can see, it prints the game pause in the middle of the screen and stops all the scrolling in the level for when life gets in the way. As well as the 3 player rewards, I also added a text for if you are not so lucky and don't manage to get a reward, just saying better luck next time. Now, please enjoy the gameplay as I try to show the awards system. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.